Environmental Wireless Monitor, Humidity, Temperature and Moisture Monitor with data logging in the cloud. This project was developed using Gadgeteer hardware, desktop application programming in VB.NET and web application using ASP.NET and VB.NET. Background information. This project was implemented at a battery manufacturing company to monitor critical environmental parameters inside curing chambers for the battery's plates. Data is saved in the cloud and displayed in charts in real time, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection.
The hardware connections. As a microcontroller, we used a Fez Cerberus board, an extender adapter to connect the transceiver XP module, a moisture sensor, the temperature and humidity sensor and the voltage regulator for the whole circuit. Once we did the connections and loaded the code in the microcontroller, the circuit is connected to voltage to see the circuit working. We also added a blinking LED as a visual indicator. In this shot, the whole circuit has been installed inside the project box. The cable length of the moisture sensor is longer, because this sensor has to be inserted in the middle of a plate stack. One of the biggest challenges was to make the battery last for at least 72 continuous hours, and that is the reason we did not include any LCD or other type of display.
This is the desktop application. It can control up to 4 data loggers at once. An XP transceiver is connected to the computer, which creates a serial port. The serial port has to be selected here, so the application can communicate with each logger. A very important thing is to specify the location of each data logger. Today's date is selected by default, but we always have the chance to select a different date. Once we completed the setup, we have to click on the Go button. This button sends a signal to the active data loggers to start running. The data is received at predetermined frequency, and displayed on corresponding loggers fields. As soon as the data is received, it is sent to the database located in the cloud. Now for the web application. The main window exhibits 3 charts, one for each characteristic: temperature, humidity, and moisture. Each chart has its own toolbar, with many options, such as Save Chart, Copy, Print, Print Preview, Change Chart Type, Change Color Theme, Toggle Chart Legend, Display Labels, and other properties. The plotted points can be selected and zoom in. Scroll to the left, to the right, up, and down. We can view the running data in real time, but also, we can select data sets from previous runs. And the charts will be updated with new information. Just zoom out to see all data displayed in the chart. All data is displayed in the grid, and it can be easily copied and pasted in Excel or Minitab for a more in-depth analysis.